Turn left onto Big Bend Road. Take the next left.
Saturday afternoon. It's lunchtime. Timo and Chiji are making tacos for lunch today.
Come on, that should be a one hitter.
So Ty, when you got here on Friday or Saturday? Yeah, because I think we should just do it on Saturday.
Oh, you got it, bro. Okay, Titus.
Oh.
That's for the big boy. Oh,
Oh man, they did a hot pie, Jimmy. He gave you guys.
yeah, I messed that one up. I know I messed it up. Yeah, doing it half Titus.
Hey.
That was kind of wobbly. So I think
It was solid contact.
all good.
Still was coming from last night.
Like right down the middle, Titus. Yeah. Ooh. Titus. Hey, Matt.
That's the other way to cut it.
I'm traumatized, bro. Come on, Matt. You got it, Matthew. Come on, man.
Just don't hit it hit it closer towards you. Don't hit it to the back, because if you slip, it hits the axe handle.
Nobody be behind him.
Oh, with this one right here? Oh man, Matthew, you got a fresh new one, man.
What is that? Is that candy?
This is what it looks like after lunch. Chiji and I, Titus, and Matthew went fishing.